It's Sarah in Montana, and today I am burning the Guliver Cookstove. I love this model because it has a lot of options and features. As you can see, the flame burns really nicely. I really like to talk about the stove when you guys can actually see it burning. We have a lot going on our stove today. I've got some ground beef that I have cooked up here. I've got squash in my oven, and I'm actually baking, or slow cooking I should say, some food down here in my lower pan where I'm making up some beans. So I am really excited to share this stove with you guys, and I want to share just some of my favorite things about it. I really do like this cream color that it's shown in here. If you don't super fancy the cream, we do have other colors as well. You can get it in a soapstone, which soapstone actually has more of a heat retention benefit, so that's a really nice option. In addition to the cream, you can get black and burgundy as well. So the soapstone is a little bit more expensive. So as you can see, we have a nice big baking oven. Right now I do have 2 oven racks in there. It actually only comes with 1, but we do keep extra ones in stock if you would like to purchase that as an option. This stove has the top warming oven on it. This is also an additional option, but I'll show you. I really love it. I mean, I actually baked up cookies in here last night, and my cookies came out like softer than in my baking oven. And that was kind of interesting because when I was talking about it with a friend, she was thinking that these ones, because that's at the lower temperature, that they might come out like more crispy and flatten out, but they didn't. They were so beautiful at the low temperature, baked up in this top warming oven. What else is cool about this stove is this is standard. Usually, if you're familiar with wood cook stoves at all, typically the firebox will be on the left-hand side of the stove when you're facing the front. However, this model could be ordered reversed, and you could have your firebox over here on the right and your oven on the left-hand side. Now do keep in mind that is going to change what side your flue is located. Your flue will always be directly above the oven. Now this model is shown as a top vent, but it can also be a rear vent model as well, so that's pretty handy. Also, this is a multi-fuel. It can burn wood or coal. So that's pretty nice as well. It doesn't have like an actual shaker grate, but it does have a solid cast iron grate that slides out so you can get the clinkers out. And then it does have the combustion air from underneath, which allows you to get that ignition on the coal fire. In addition to that, let's see, it does come standard with this front railing. It is just one towel rack here across the front of the stove. So this is the beautiful Guliver Cookstove. I hope you guys found this overview helpful, informational, and educational. If you fancy my videos or you know somebody else who would, please share it with them. We don't really do paid advertising. We really rely on people sharing our content and word of mouth from our customers. So we appreciate you who drop your photos and videos of your stoves, and also those of you who let people know that you have our products and that you purchased from us and how much you love them. So thanks for being here. God bless. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Bye, y'all.